Hello, I'm this person. So it's very tiresome for people to install dependencies one by one until they finish all dependencies that they need to get their Python projects get running. So first I'm going to show you how you can list and store all dependencies that are in your Python project. So in case you need them, let's say you have changed the environment that you are working in and you need to install them at once, it can be achieved. So by there you will not install your dependencies one by one, things that are tiresome like those. You'll be able to install your dependencies listed in the file that you have created with their respective versions easier. So let's get going. As you see, you need to be in the directory where your Python project is running. Here we are going to see how you can list and store them in the file. So to list them, you can say pip freeze. So if I type pip freeze, it will list all dependencies that are available in my Python project. So if I want to store them in a file, so that in case I need them I can access them and install them at once, I will say pip freeze, and I need to identify the file name where I want to list and store all these dependencies. I can call it requirements.txt. Then I hit enter. So let's check. You see all dependencies that I'm using in my Python project have been listed here. You see. So the second part, it's in case you have this file called requirements.txt which contains all your dependencies and you want to install all of them at once without coming here and say pip install the first dependency, the second one, things like those. You can say pip install and say the file name where your dependencies are stored, which is requirements.txt. So if you hit enter, all your dependencies will be installed at once in your Python project, and from there you are good to go and your Python project can get running.